Hi friends, welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. In this tutorial, I will guide you how you can fix an error WinLoad EFI is missing from your computer. Before proceeding, I request you to please click on the subscribe button to continue watching more such tech and how-to videos. Now let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. So once you are welcome with this screen, kindly press the F8 key for the startup settings. This is the very first step that you need to perform. Press the F8 key for the startup settings. Once you click on startup settings, you are welcome with this screen. In this screen, you are welcome with these 9 options. We need to choose the 8th option, which is disable early launch anti-malware protection. So here kindly press F8 key to disable the early launch anti-malware protection. It will take a lot of time, that's why I am not proceeding from here. So at your end you need to press F8 key to disable this function and then restart your PC and check if the problem is resolved or not. If the problem is still persist, we are going to proceed with second step. In second step, what you need to perform is kindly turn off and again turn on your computer with the power button for at least 3 or 4 times until you are welcome with the screen showing diagnosing your PC. So now here I'll go ahead and restart my PC using the power button. I restarted my PC 3 times and after that I got this screen which is showing diagnosing your PC, and after that you are welcome with these advanced options in which you will get these 4 or 5 options. The next thing you need to do or second step is you need to perform is to click on uninstall updates. Here click on uninstall latest feature updates and choose your operating system which is Windows 10 and uninstall latest Windows feature updates which may cause the failure of your PC. If again still the problem persists at your end, again turn off and turn on your PC 3 times so that you are again welcome to this screen, and this time choose an option of startup repair. It will take some time for the startup repair, up to 30 minutes, and your PC will be completely repaired. This one is the third step that you need to perform. If again startup repair is not able to repair your PC, we are finally going to our fourth step. In fourth step, you need to click on the command prompt option that is available over here in the advanced options. In fourth step, we are going to rebuild your boot and MBR files that is causing this issue. So you need to type here bootrec /fix MBR and hit the enter button. Secondly, type bootrec /fix boot and hit the enter button. If it is showing at your end access is denied, then you need to type boot secti /NT60 sys. Whatever command I use over here, I'll provide you in the description below so that you can easily copy and paste over here. Once this is completed, the last command is you need to type is bootrec /rebuild bcd and hit the enter button. You can see over here the total identified Windows installation is 0. If at your end it is showing 1 or 2, then you are welcome with another option. Choose option A or 0. So choose option A if you get any installation file and hit the enter button, and after that the MBR will be completely rebuilt in your PC. Now press the exit button and restart your PC and check if the problem is resolved or not. If still there are few cases that some problems are still not resolved, again choose troubleshoot, command prompt, and here you need to perform 3 commands one by one. First of all is check disk space slash fix space slash R, where F is fix and R is repair, and hit the enter button. This one is the first command. SFC space slash scan now this one is the second command. After that, hit the enter button. And lastly is dism space slash online space slash cleanup image space slash restore health, and hit the enter button. This one is the last command that you need to perform. If still you face any kind of issue, or if you still unable to repair your PC by following these 5 steps, kindly comment below and I'll provide you another way for the resolution. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.